Hello students, welcome to section on proportions. The learning target for today, I can solve proportions. When do we use proportions? Technically in geometry, a lot of times we are solving word problems and proportions is a very powerful way to solve equations. So how do we solve proportions? We cross multiply first and then we go to step 1 of equations. So let's take a few minutes and solve two problems. So question number 1, I have 2 over x equals 5/3. So let's take a minute and solve this problem. So first thing, I will cross multiply. Okay, so cross multiply, I always draw this. So 5 times x is 5x, and 2 times 3 is 6. And obviously, what is your last step? Divide both sides by 5. So if you divide by 5, your final answer is x equals 6/5. And this is what we want. We don't want you to write decimal. Please do not write 1 and 2/10. We prefer fractions. Also, some of you may express this as a mixed fraction, and you could also write 1 and 1/5, but just keep it improper fraction. Okay? Excellent. So let's take a look at question number 2. So number 2 is a little bit longer, okay? And in this example, I have x minus 1 divided by 5 equals 3/4. Same idea, cross multiply first. So you're gonna get 4, and it is very important that you use parentheses, because if you do not use parentheses, it will be incorrect. You're multiplying 4 times quantity x minus 1. In close parentheses equals 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, next step, let's distribute. Okay, so distribute and distribute. So I get 4x minus, please do not write minus 1, is minus 4, is equal to 15. Your next step will be to add 4 to both sides, so plus 4 plus 4. So 4x is equal to 21, okay? And the inverse operation of multiplication is division, so divide by 4, divide by 4. Your final answer is x equals 21 over 4, and please circle your final answer so we know that's what you want us to check. Some students will also write this or convert this to mixed fraction, and that would be 5 and 1/4. As a decimal, this will be 5.25. In other words, 5 and 25 thousandths. But again, we prefer improper fractions. Thank you.